Does his hair look like it deserves this pose? You don't want to be on the roller coaster and going viral because your wig done fell off and somebody behind you had a camera, or better yet, somebody in front of you had a camera and they caught the whole damn thing. You know what I'm saying?
Baby girl, let the ice spray. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me baby girl another night, yeah. When you want.
Okay. Check out the slickety slicks, the swoopity swoops, and they is slickety slicking on back. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's your girl Mika Lynn, and here we are. Before we get into this, as always, I do hope you decide to hit that subscribe button, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. And of course, drop your girl a comment down below. Let's chat it up in the comments. Oh, we are here for this, baby. So big thank you to CurlsCurls, and they are coming to you today, baby, with some Black Friday goodness. Don't ever say I did not put you on, okay? CurlsCurls also has you. They have a Black Friday sale going on now until November 22nd. This is their Glory Crystal unit. She is a kinky, curly 3C to 4A textured wig in 16 inches with a medium-sized cap. Hold up, wait a minute, let me put some color in it. Okay, CurlsCurls, I was not expecting the ombre on this ombre. But big thank you to them for sending out the unit. Typical cap fit on this unit. So you're gonna have the two combs in the front, and then you're gonna have one in the back. And you also do have the elastic band that is sewn into the cap. She does have the bra strap adjustment type of hooks, so you can definitely customize the fit of this unit. So one thing that I would like to see on this unit is definitely more of a lace or skin part. Now ain't nobody gonna be on top of your head, you know what I'm saying? But it just kind of adds a little ambiance. CurlsCurls. This is going to be a full wig, y'all. This is going to look really dang pretty, if I do say so myself. I'm actually going to do a twist out, baby, using my tried and true, my favorite conditioner. This is the Herbal Essences Hello Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. And I'm really curious if I can use this conditioner as a setting gel and a styling gel. So we're going to put that to the test. See her in all her old natural, not so moisturized glory. This twist out was done on freshly washed hair. I then diffused it and let it dry for about 10 minutes. The great thing about this conditioner, y'all, you can go as heavy-handed as you want. And for me, I did not get a cast off, nor did I get buildup. I use H2O and conditioner. That's it. This twist out is seriously hair goals for me. If I had the thickness, this would be the way to go. So I did start off with a braid, and then after I got a little ways down the hair shaft, I began to twist it. I twisted it all the way down until I got to the ends, twirled the ends in my fingers, and repeated the process. Starting off with a braid really cuts down on the fluff time, and it also cuts down on the frizz.
You see me on the come up, big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet.
Now I did pick out the back of this unit because your girls ain't got skills like that. But we are definitely going to pick and primp and tease and fluff this beauty to some natural goodness. Roll that beautiful first impression footage. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead, plop her on, baby. Hey, yeah. Okay, so this is cute. Okay, this is cute. So I'm just gonna use some of the grapeseed oil, and I'll put just a little bit of it on my hands. Ooh, okay, maybe a lot. So about this much. I don't know if you can see it. And we'll just start primping and priming.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
No one knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you'll see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet.
We are almost there. I am gonna just take my comb, because I really want this nice and fluffy, and I also want this to have a little bit more of a round shape, so you can kind of see it's coming together. We getting there. I'm not gonna pick anything on top, because that's where I don't want the frizz to be. So I like the definition so far. We're just gonna tease this back here to give it some volume. Okay, and then I am gonna lift this part. And let's see if I can get my bearings. Yeah, I want more round, baby. Round. Okay, so I think we're good on this side. Now we'll work on this side. And the same, we're gonna lift and tease underneath. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of height to these bangs. I'm just gonna take a bobby pin. I'm gonna lift this back. I think you all know about this trick, right? So I'm just gonna pin like right there. I'll use another one. Okay, and maybe one more on this side. Ooh, okay. Yeah.
8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alpha, baby. Alpha, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mine, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Got my own ride.
Does his hair look like it deserves this pose? Listen, big hair don't care, baby. And when the hair is so big that you gotta change your camera angle, goals. Yeah, so what are we thinking of Miss Glory Crystal? Drop some love in the comments down below. But listen, a couple of things to note about this unit by CurlsCurls. So number one, drying time took about 30 minutes from the time after the hair was completely twisted. It was taking a little too long for my liking. So I did go through with my diffuser, and I had that set on high speed, high heat, and then I just kind of blasted it with a cold air here and there. Just for a recap, I did use the Herbal Essences conditioner, and that was it. That's all I needed to style this unit. Lately, when it comes to curly wigs, I'm going really lightly on the products. Less is definitely more. I do wish I would have left the curls alone in the bang, but I feathered them out and I think they came together really good. Now, you don't have to cut anything out of this unit if you don't want to. For me, I wanted it to frame my face and kind of have that round, you know, kind of like nice afro look, baby, going. I am so tempted to take this unit up to like right here, but I'm not gonna do it. Maybe I'll do it after I take pictures, but I think, you know, just a couple of inches off would be so freaking cute and so natural. Now, for a recap, this is the 16-inch unit. So if you are looking to purchase this, the 12 or 14-inch is going to do you perfectly. It's going to look so freaking natural, and this fluffed up so freaking nice. And even with the conditioner only, look, baby, she's got body. Ooh, she got body. I did mess up a little bit on this side as far as the cutting, but you know, I think it still looks good. As you can see, I have been running my hands through this side a lot. I'm getting some frizz, so considering, I think that's pretty dang good. It still looks moisturized, it still looks healthy, and it doesn't have like that grassroots type of look. You know what I'm talking about. One thing I did forget to mention with the first impression, this is a very comfortable cap, snug on my head. It ain't gonna fly off or anything, you know what I'm saying? But it's loose enough to where I have room. It's a very comfortable cap. I would suggest also using the combs in this unit just for a little, you know, added security. You don't want to be on the roller coaster and going viral because your wig done fell off and somebody behind you had a camera, or better yet, somebody in front of you had a camera and they caught the whole damn thing. You know what I'm saying? So if you're interested in checking out the information for this unit, I will have a direct link to CurlsCurls website as well as a direct link to this unit down below. Definitely take advantage of that Black Friday sale, baby. Woo, you're gonna save some coins. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go. Share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. And of course, ring the bell for our post notifications. I always forget to say that. Most importantly, take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. And as always, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves